Veteran lawyer John Khaminwa is among 5 lawyers who've quit a 10 million shilling corruption case against the former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko. The lawyers have accused the Milimani Anti-Corruption Court of bias and unfairness in the trial of the former governor.
Looking frail and tired, former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko had to obey the court order that required him to personally appear in court despite his health status over a 10 million shillings corruption case, failure to which he was to suffer the consequences. But the Chief Magistrate Douglas Ogoti ordered the session to be in camera, shutting out the media, arguing that the session had protected witnesses. The court rejected Sonko's lawyer John Khaminwa's application to have the session adjourned. In protest, Khaminwa decided to quit the case and walked out. Khaminwa becomes the 5th lawyer representing Sonko to quit the case, accusing Chief Magistrate Ogoti of bias. The lawyer's efforts to also have Ogoti remove himself from the case was unsuccessful, as Ogoti ruled the case must proceed.
So I decided now to walk out. But before I decided to walk out, I did point out to him that there is a complaint that has been forwarded to the Judicial Service Commission against him by Governor Sonko. And in that complaint, it is quite clear that the Constitution of the Republic is being mutilated.
The former governor was discharged from hospital last Thursday.
Doctors have said that he should have 2 weeks rest. Another one is that there is a possibility that some of us, including the governor, may probably have contracted coronavirus at Kahawa court. He rejected my application, and if I'm not permitted to make those applications, I would not be of much use to the governor at all. So I decided now to walk out.
The corruption case will proceed even as Sonko faces other cases, including terrorism charges against him at the Kiambu Law Court. Sonko will now have to replace his lawyers who have quit the case in protest, even as the practical way forward for the court remains to be providing adequate time for the lawyers to go through evidence and familiarize themselves with the case. Vincent Odur, NTV, Nairobi.